Amazon is a treasure trove of clever gadgets that simplify everyday life. From multitasking tools to innovative devices, these picks have truly raised the bar. Here are ingenious tools you'll wish you discovered sooner. 13. Reed Tools Guillotine Pipe Cutter. The Reed Tools Guillotine Pipe Cutter is a high-performance tool tailored for cutting medium to high-density polyethylene (HDPE) pipes with precision. With a capacity to handle pipes ranging from 3 to 8 inches in diameter, it ensures clean, accurate cuts essential for projects requiring minimal post-cut preparation. The unique guillotine-style blade design facilitates easy slicing, significantly reducing the force needed compared to traditional methods. Its non-stick coated blade is not only durable but also replaceable and easy to sharpen, ensuring long-term usability. The tool is engineered for confined spaces, requiring just 4 to 6 inches of clearance around the pipe. This feature is invaluable for professionals working in challenging environments. Whether you're an industrial worker or a utility specialist, this pipe cutter combines efficiency and reliability to handle demanding tasks with ease. 12. Hot Mech Riveting Tool. The Hot Mech Riveting Tool is a versatile and durable device designed for hassle-free rivet installation. Featuring a robust aluminum body paired with high-strength carbon steel components, this tool is built to last and withstand heavy use in industrial and DIY applications. The quadruple swivel joint ensures seamless installation of rivets in a single motion, reducing effort and time. One standout feature is its 5 interchangeable tips ranging from 2.4 mm to 6.4 mm, catering to various rivet sizes. These tips can be switched quickly using an integrated key, enhancing efficiency. Ergonomically designed, the handle provides a firm yet comfortable grip, reducing hand fatigue during extended use. 11. Pro Series Door Installation Hardware Toolkit. Installing doors can be cumbersome, but the Pro Series Door Installation Kit transforms the process into a manageable task. Capable of holding doors ranging from 1 3/8 to 1 3/4 inches thick and supporting up to 300 pounds, this tool is a powerhouse. Its adjustable height and multi-directional leveling system allow for seamless adjustments, minimizing errors and damage. This kit is particularly beneficial for installing a variety of door styles, including swinging, sliding, and barn doors. 10. D1 LVLP Paint Sprayer. The D1 LVLP paint sprayer is a professional-grade tool that brings effortless precision to painting tasks. Crafted with a solid aluminum body coated in Teflon, this sprayer is as durable as it is efficient. It comes with clear markings, making setup intuitive, and includes a range of accessories such as pressure regulators and oil-water separators for optimal performance. Designed for versatility, the sprayer applies an even coat of paint on various surfaces, delivering a flawless finish. Its lightweight design ensures ease of handling, while the easy-to-clean build enhances convenience. 9. Ryobi Cordless Sweeper. As part of the renowned Ryobi One Plus system, the cordless sweeper is a revolutionary tool for efficient cleaning. Equipped with dual 53 centimeters wide brushes, it swiftly collects debris into its spacious 17-liter container. Whether tackling fine dust or larger waste, this sweeper handles workshops, garages, patios, and more with ease. The adjustable telescopic handle ensures comfort for users of all heights, while the easy foot-operated mechanism simplifies activation. Its waste container is transparent and removable, making it straightforward to empty. 8. Franklin Sensors Pro Sensor. The Franklin Sensors Pro Sensor revolutionizes wall scanning with its advanced 9-sensor array. Unlike conventional stud finders that require calibration, this device works instantly to locate studs, beams, and even live wires behind drywall. Its precision ensures accurate marking of both the center and edges of studs, making it ideal for mounting shelves, TVs, or artwork. This tool excels in detecting single, double, or unconventional stud configurations. Powered by AAA batteries, it offers a user-friendly experience, turning a potentially frustrating task into a quick and enjoyable one. 7. Scotch Blue Painter's Tape Applicator. Painting preparation becomes a breeze with the Scotch Blue Painter's Tape Applicator. This innovative tool allows users to apply painter's tape in a single smooth motion, ensuring clean, sharp edges for any painting project. Its built-in blade cuts tape evenly, while the ergonomic handle ensures comfortable handling. The included UV-resistant and moisture-proof tape is eco-friendly, manufactured with 45% renewable resources and 70% recycled materials. The felt pad on the applicator glides seamlessly across surfaces, preventing scratches or uneven application. 6. CAO Post-Right Magnetic Post Level. The CAO Post-Right Magnetic Post Level ensures precise alignment of vertical structures like posts, signs, or fencing. Featuring 3 cylindrical bubbles for horizontal and vertical leveling, this tool guarantees accuracy. It includes 4 strong magnets for attachment to metal surfaces, and an elastic strap for non-metallic applications. Compact and foldable. This level is easy to store and transport. Its ability to level posts at 15-degree increments adds versatility to projects requiring angled installations. 5. Tools Per Prof Kit. The Tools Per Prof Kit is a game changer for anyone needing sharp, straight chalk lines. Its reinforced handle accelerates the coiling of its 100-foot, 8-strand thick batting cord 6 times faster than traditional tools. Designed for durability, its rubber-coated body withstands demanding conditions. The kit includes a 4 ounces bottle of vibrant blue chalk, providing excellent visibility for indoor and outdoor projects. The dust-free refilling spout and taut stopper button enhance ease of use. 4. Milescraft Sandplane. The Milescraft Sandplane simplifies sanding tasks with its versatile design. It includes 4 interchangeable profiles: concave, convex, flat, and V-grooves, allowing users to tackle diverse surface shapes. Using standard 5-inch sanding discs that attach securely with Velcro, the tool provides flexibility for various projects. Ideal for woodworking and restoration, the Sandplane ensures smooth finishes on challenging surfaces. 3. Griffin Adventure Tool. https://cartech.tech/1769-ipg.html. The Griffin Adventure Tool is a pocket-sized marvel packed with 12 functionalities. Made from titanium, it is lightweight, corrosion-resistant, and airplane-safe. Its features include screwdrivers, a bottle opener, hex bit holder, multiple wrenches, and a ruler with precise graduations. Compact enough to fit on a keychain, this multi-tool is perfect for quick fixes or outdoor adventures. Its durable construction ensures reliability in diverse situations. Whether you're camping, traveling, or addressing small repairs, the Griffin Adventure Tool is an indispensable companion. 2. 8-inch Electric Floor Scrubber. The 8-inch electric floor scrubber delivers powerful cleaning performance, removing up to 200 square feet of flooring per hour. Its 3/4 horsepower motor generates 5,000 movements per minute, making it highly effective on vinyl, carpet, and rubber surfaces. The adjustable angles and self-propelling mechanism make operation effortless, while folding handles ensure easy transport and storage. Powered by a standard outlet, this scrubber simplifies even the toughest cleaning jobs, offering reliability and efficiency. 1. Recon T1 Tomahawk Digital Tape Measure. The Recon T1 Tomahawk Digital Tape Measure combines cutting-edge technology with precision. Its replaceable tape and self-calibrating mechanism ensure long-term accuracy. The electronic paper display stores up to 500 measurements, while a green laser pointer aids in alignment. Amazon is a treasure trove of clever gadgets that simplify everyday life. From multitasking tools to innovative devices, these picks have truly raised the bar. Here are 13 ingenious tools you'll wish you discovered sooner. Thanks for watching.